Hi, my name is Zambia Clark. You can call me Zambia or Miss Z. I currently live in Lakeland, Florida. I have a bachelor's in elementary education. I'm a homeschool mom of four boys ages 8, 11, 12, and 14. I currently enjoy thrift store shopping, flea market shopping, getting any type of deal possible, and I really, really love serving and helping other people. I serve on the outreach team at my church. I serve at the Tablet House here in Lakeland, Florida, which is a homeless transitional type shelter where they provide the basic needs of those who are hungry, who need clothing and baths, as well as they have different types of rehabilitation programs to get people back onto their feet. I'm really excited about starting this program as I feel that I was created to be a social worker and I'm a social worker at heart. I'm looking forward to obtaining resources and networking with different people to obtain more resources to be able to help those who are needing help. I believe that all people should have a fair chance in life. And I believe that all people, if they don't, they should have some type of resources available to help usher them into the things that they need to succeed in life. And I would love to be that person to encourage, help, lead, and guide others that are needing assistance. I look forward to the information that I will be learning throughout this course study. I look forward to interacting with the rest of you students, and I know that we will have a successful journey all the way to graduation and beyond. Thank you. Have a great evening.